With a large tank size and innovative features, it's in a league of its own. Introducing the LV600HH Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier, the perfect choice for any home. With the LV600HH, you can choose between two types of mist. Use cool mist to help keep your sinuses and skin hydrated, or use warm mist to humidify the air 25% faster and help kill bacteria in the water. All the humidifier's features can be controlled on the display panel or the convenient remote control. Set a timer to run your humidifier for 1 to 12 hours. That way, you can set and forget. With auto mode, the LV600HH uses an advanced sensor to track the surrounding humidity and automatically adjust the mist level. The LV600HH covers up to 753 square feet, making it powerful enough to humidify large rooms. If you want to feel refreshed, try aromatherapy. Use the humidifier's aroma box to fill your air with fragrance. Direct the mist toward you with the 360-degree mist nozzle. No matter how dry your air gets, Levoit's LV600HH is the perfect solution for a comfortable home.
Allergens we all know about, like house dust and pollen, can build up in the home, and dry air can cause dehydration. But what you can't see are gases like nitrogen dioxide and benzene, which make air quality worse. Dyson's purifying humidifying fan deals with all these problems. Sensors automatically diagnose and report them in real time on screen or via the Dyson app. Then manage them using 3 combined Dyson technologies. HEPA filtration captures dust and pollen. Activated carbon absorbs odours and gases. Then UV cleanse technology kills bacteria in the water to humidify the air hygienically, before the evaporator rehydrates the air to a comfortable humidity, increasing the airflow's cooling effect in summer. Air multiplier technology then circulates the purified, humidified air for a better environment all year.
Treating your skin and maintaining a healthy home with the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Everlasting Cool. Effortlessly increase humidity in any room with the Humidifier's Ultrasonic Cool Mist, proven to improve sleep, allergies, and skin health by reducing airborne viruses and bacteria. The humidifier features a 6-liter, 1.6-gallon large capacity water tank with a super high mist output of 270 milliliters per hour, lasting up to 50 straight hours between refills. Unlike most ultrasonic humidifiers that come with a filter that needs replacing every couple of months, our unique humidifier is filterless, and it runs whisper quiet. Set it and forget it. And rest easy with its auto shut-off feature that automatically turns off your humidifier once it runs out of water. Plus, it includes a built-in essential oil tray. Simply add your favorite essential oils and fill your room with clean, pure, fresh-smelling aromas. get the humidifier Kendall Jenner personally recommends in Allure magazine as one of her favorite beauty products. Relax and refresh with the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Everlasting.